गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज का जो डिक्टेशन है वो थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट होने वाला है, सो डिक्टेट केयरफुली। स्टार्ट। क्राइसिस, इकोनॉमिक और मेडिकल, invariably have a disproportionate impact on vulnerable constituencies. Stop. The COVID-19 pandemic has retreated this hypothesis. Stop. Data from the United Nations had already shown that the increasing domestic burden caused by the restrictions induced by the global contagion resulted in the loss of employment for women. Stop. But their suffering has not stopped there. Recent research at the university is indicative of a double blow for women. Stop. Not only were women 7 times more likely than men to lose their jobs during the lockdown, but they were also 11 times more likely than men to not return to work thereafter. Stop. The scale of the crisis is humongous. Half of the pre-pandemic female workforce lost their jobs and were unable to resume work once the lockdown ended. Stop. There are several causes for their imbalance, and some of them are apparent in the study what itself. Stop. For instance, married women were less likely than their husbands to return to work, clearly indicating that increased household responsibilities are being unequally distributed among the sexes. In accordance with a division of labor, dishearteningly, women's educational backgrounds have not made a difference to their faith. Stop. Those with higher educational qualifications, these are crucial in securing jobs, were less likely to be re-employed than men with similar degrees of education. Stop. The implications are troubling. That data from the 2011 census show that between 2001 and 2011, the number of women earning postgraduate, professional and technical degrees went up manifold, but it is clear that corresponding employment avenues are scant and are shrinking further. Stop. Gender-based prejudice remains a formidable barrier to equitable employment opportunities. It seems to have been aggravated by the pandemic. Stop. With India reportedly existing, the gross domestic product growth was 0.4% in the third quarter of 2020. The government must now focus on regenerating jobs. Stop. Companies can harness the work from home model to create roles for women employees. Stop. The challenge, however, is steeper in the informal sector. At least 22% of female workers are still out of work, and little attention is paid to designing policies to address their needs. Stop. Rights based employment initiatives must be mobilized on a war footing to make labor inclusive in rural areas and the informal sector stop unless women's return to the workforce is encouraged and enabled. The devolution of their labor and in fact their social roles and राइट्स विल कंटिन्यू। चलिए आज का डिक्टेशन यहाँ पर समाप्त हुआ। जाने से पहले एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ, जो ये डिक्टेशन ले रहा है प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब।